Hey, it's Tieesha back with a quick video. Now, this video was on my mind because something just didn't sit right with me. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you saw this video right here about this lying-ass chick named Elizabeth from Knoxville who claimed they pushed her out and maced her.
What happened to you?
I got maced.
You got maced?
I
mace. And what happened? You were trying to go inside the Capitol?
I made it like a foot inside and they pushed me out and they maced me.
What's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Elizabeth. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee.
And why did you want to go in?
We're storming the Capitol. It's a revolution.
Yeah, I already knew that video was some bull because I'm like, hold on, I've been pepper sprayed not once, but twice. Yeah, I was even gassed in boot camp, okay? And what she's going through is the effect of rubbing that white item. You see that onion in her hand? Yeah, rubbing that on her eyes and totally faking it. Let me tell you about OC spray. Now, I've been wanting to make this video for a while because people were asking me, Tieesha, why don't you carry OC spray in your TIEMONEX store? Make sure you check out TIEMONEX.com for your self-defense gear. I have a can of pepper spray here, and it's called pepper spray or OLEORESIN capsicum spray. All right, because the active ingredient in it is peppers. Yeah, the same peppers that you put on your wings and stuff like that. Yeah, so people call it mace. And mace is actually, and don't pick on me because I'm with my glasses, but mace is actually a company in Cleveland, Ohio. This product here is manufactured by Mace Personal Defense and Security Incorporated, Cleveland, Ohio. No, this video is not sponsored, okay? So, yeah, this is actually what I have. I've been pepper sprayed. I've been exposed to, you know, that secondary pepper spray because I was in the close area when somebody deployed pepper spray and, you know, get on you or how I did it was in my duty belt and I kept touching the front part and then I rubbed my eyes. The next thing you know, I'm like, my eyes slammed shut. Now, like I said, the active ingredient is OLEORESIN capsicum, okay? And the level of heat in this is measured by Scoville units, okay? Scoville units, you're familiar with that because Scoville units is how they measure the heat, the pepper, and like wings. When you look at, you know, the menu, you have mild, medium, hot, 3 Mile Island, ghost pepper. The heat is measured in Scoville units, and that's the same units that's measured in pepper spray, okay? Or OC spray. All right, the active ingredient here, like I said, is OLEORESIN capsicum, and this is at 1.4%, all right? 1.4%. And yeah, the exposure to it, okay, the immediate effects when you spray in someone's, you know, mucous membranes and things like that. One of the immediate effects is, I gotta say all up in my face. One of the immediate effects is eyes will slam shut, okay? Eyes slam shut because this is burning, burning your eyes so daggone bad. You start tearing up, because that's your body's natural reaction to flush out that irritant. Also, too, your nose, like you also have, like with your tear ducts and your nose, you start snotting and you have these snot sickles, and you just keep your eyes closed. But when I was exposed to OC spray both times, the direct spray is, you know, my eyes are closed and then you have your instructors yelling, open your eyes and fight, open your eyes and fight. It's like, like they make you do all types of stuff that force you to open your eyes and you like, this is some bull. I never do this in real life. But, yeah, like you want to keep your eyes shut. Like you got to actually like keep them, like peel them open to just get the water to flush them out. And you just ugly snotting like, and then your face turns red. And the first sign that I knew that Elizabeth from Knoxville, Nashville, whatever was lying is she was about as white as my damn sweater. Like, hold on. I received this award. One of my supervisors gave me a pumpkin head award because I, you know, deployed pepper spray. And I was able to identify this person that I was just fighting with because his face was orange, you know, so they call it the pumpkin head. And you're red. Think about when, you know, people, you know, eat hot foods. They turn red. Elizabeth wasn't nowhere near red, okay? Then, when you're exposed to OC spray, like, the duration is anywhere, you know, some people it has no effect on. They get sprayed and they just, you know, ready to keep fighting. Me, I think I was going through it for about 30 to 45 minutes. And this was just constantly flushing water. Like I had the water hose just, and then, you know, what comes up must come down. So as you spraying your eyes out, It's going to get on your neck is burning, your chest is burning. Elizabeth still had that dang on piano scarf on and that coat. Man, you come out of that, because even the smell of OC spray is horrible. And then she, she touches somebody else. Yeah, she totally doctored that up. She is a lying ass bitch. And this brings to mind one time when I had to use pepper spray out on duty. There was a female, she was naked. And she was just, fighting and grabbing at me. And I wanted to get that distance, get her off me, because she was opening up pouches, and stuff. So, I just OC sprayed her. Her hands went to her face, eyes closed. I was able to get away and get into a more, tactical position so that I don't stay in the fight. And yeah, when the medics came and, they poured water on her, like I said, what is up must come down. And, she's getting that water put on her. Next thing I know, we in the middle of the parking lot in the wee hours of the morning, and she's screaming, "My burning! My is burning!" That's how I knew that Elizabeth was on some stuff. And I had somebody else that's like, yeah, it could be ice in her hand. No, because she's like continuously wiping with that same spot. You will not want anything that smells like OC spray to keep touching your face. You don't want any cloth, because you want to get out of those clothes, change clothes. Yeah, it's not pretty. Then when you take a shower, they say do not take a hot shower, because guess what? That heat gonna reactivate it. There is one time where I did lessen the effects of the OC spray, and that secret ingredient was, all right, that's my secret. I'm not saying it completely got away or made it go away. It just kind of lessened it, and the exposure was shorter. But you're gonna feel it. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna stop. Now, why I won't carry OC spray in my TIEMONEX store, because I told a couple people, if I carry it, I'm gonna spray myself with it. I'm gonna get exposed to it so that I can be confident that I'm putting a product on the market that works, okay? And so, yeah, if y'all want to see that happen to me, go ahead and leave that in the comments or let me know. And if I have enough demand, I'll definitely work on that supply. But yeah, the training that comes with, deploying OC spray, I see a lot of people with their OC spray on their key rings, and they're just kind of floating around and stuff like that. Yeah, I guess it's good to have it, but you want to train, getting that item out and knowing what to do when you got it. Because it's one thing to be flipping through your keys and, then you got it. Then when you go to spray it, guess what? It doesn't work, okay? So it's best to test out your OC spray, I would say monthly, as temperatures change. One day here could be 70, the next day in the 30s. So yeah, I would say, go outside and spray it. Don't spray cats and dogs and little kids, just spray it. Make sure, the nozzle is clear and that it works, and then clean it off and do what you need to do. I like this one because it has a belt clip, so when I usually go running or something, I just clip it on to my TIEMONEX belly band holster, or whatever workout band I got, the safety reflective band, just put it on there. And yeah, but when you deploy it, on someone, like I said, what you're hoping for, the average result is reaction. Them eyes slam shut, they close their eyes. And so if they was to keep charging at you, you want to get out the way. So once you kind of spray and move, okay, you get out the way so that they don't come back to the last spot that they saw you. Then you got to be mentally prepared, to react. Is the OC spray working? Do I need to go to fisticuffs? What do you need to do? You can't just stand there and be then throw it at them, because they might take it and spray you with it, okay? Yeah, like I said, when I was gassed in boot camp, they wanted to show the effectiveness of our gas mask. You take that mask off, eye slam shut, you're burning, you're snotting, you're spitting, you're gagging. It's kind of similar to this. It really sucks. It really sucks so bad. And another thing, how I knew that Elizabeth was on some bull is, you need flushing water. You need water to flush it out. You can't just use one bottle of water, because them eyes gonna stay shut. You ain't gonna want to open it. People say, you want to find that breeze and kind of get that breeze on your face, and you know, find a fan. I had a little battery powered fan up in my eyes like this, like, oh, my eyes hurt. And that was after, you know, having a water hose and just hose in my face for like, shoot, eternity, because that stuff hurts. But people say, you know, pour milk and do this. The only thing that really lessens the effects is time. You gotta just fight through. You gotta struggle through it, okay? You're gonna be ugly. Your ass gonna be swollen. You're gonna be a little red and puffy, and you're gonna be burning. All the things that Elizabeth wasn't doing. Okay, so she was fake, and I wouldn't be surprised if all these little memes and stuff that's been released about her, you know, she made them up. If she's, you know, has like some kind of platform that she's advancing, but that was totally fake. Like I said, I do not sell mace, and Mace is actually a company. If people say Mace me, this is the company, Mace, out of Cleveland, Ohio. But I know that over at Brother Tariq's channel, he has the Ogun juice. I don't have Ogun juice right now, but yeah, I may go ahead and look into some once, you know, this runs out. And pretty much I've never deployed on a person. I just kind of been testing it, and it's like almost empty just from testing it out, okay? But yeah, make sure you have it to TIEMONEX. Get your belly band holsters, ankle holsters, knives. I have some new items, you know, coming out just about every day. So make sure you keep abreast, keep checking it out. And I thank everybody for their business, their kind words, everything to make me a better businesswoman. I really appreciate you. I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I didn't ramble for too long. I think I said everything I needed to say, I think. And yeah, if you need another video or, you know, any more questions, hit me up. I love you so much. Have a great day.
Totally insane.
They pushed me out and maced me.
That lying ass bitch.